Alright people, another midweek video. I've just spent the last 10 minutes chasing a fly around the kitchen. Don't know where it's gone. So apologies if it starts buzzing around my head. Anyway, I have another chili review to do. This one's from Chili Viking again, from Sweden, grown by himself. It's a Jay's Red Ghost Scorpion. Now he says they're about 1 million on the Scoville scale. I mean, look at the size of it for a start. Look how gnarly it looks. That stinger on the end. The skin's all blistered, and it looks like it's going to be a hot one. There's certainly a lot to chew, so there's going to be a lot more oil in there. I might regret this tonight. Let's take the stalk off. I'm going to cut it in half and have a look. Yep, oil on the knife. Oh. I don't cut that very well. Can you see in there? Maybe you can't. It's going to be a mouthful. That's a lot to chew, like I said. I'm expecting hiccups, and I'm expecting some discomfort and a good burn. Anyway, let's eat. No pain burn. That was burning my lips. Wow. I got it. Hiccups. Ooh. Give me a minute. I get a normal rhythm of hiccups going. Ooh. Flavour wise, it's quite fruity. That is circulating around the tongue the burn at the moment. It started off on the lips. It's moved off from the lips, and it's on the tongue. A good estimation on 1 million. Still rising. My eyes are watering. Don't know whether you've noticed the hiccups. That's a nice burn. Still rising. It's probably, I don't know, maybe 4.5. Now that burn is starting to go from my tongue to my throat. Can't stand a throat burn. I think we're calming down a bit. Yeah, I think that's peaked. It's reading time for the kids. it's kind of bypassed my throat. It set off going down, and just landed in my stomach. Weirdly, the roof of my mouth has just started. It's an interesting, burn. That it's kind of up and down. Certainly hot. Props to you there, Chili Viking. It's a hot one. So I've got 3 left. Certainly not doing any more tonight. 2 BTRs and the Boot Jalopy chocolate. Now I think, the Chili Viking in one video did do those 3, 2 BTRs and then the chocolate Boot Jalopy. Now his tolerance is a lot higher than mine. I would like to attempt that though. I'd like to give it a go. Could be a weekend job. If I just hope I have time. Found myself a spare 20 minutes. So I shot this video. Nice. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you're on YouTube, if you like the videos, like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to. I'll get back to you. Instagram, if you like or comment, I'll get back to you. That's almost an endorphin rush. Almost. I can feel it creeping in. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Goodbye.